Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Ford, and in this episode, I'm going to do sweet and spicy chicken skewers. I found this recipe in a magazine. It's really good, right? And so I had to make my own sauce. I did it actually yesterday, and you can get the recipe for this sauce at the bottom here under the More section, or go to citygrilling.com. You can find the recipe here to get this sauce. But you can cook the sauce. It smells really good. It's tangy, it's spicy, really good. So I already have my chicken prepared. I have some chicken breast that I went ahead and cubed it up so I can skewer it up. But the first thing I'm gonna do is pour the rest of this sauce on here. Now, I've held back more than half of it to use for like a dipping sauce, because that'll be good to dip this chicken in when you get ready to eat this, right? So go ahead and put it in there like that. And I'm just gonna blend this together really good, like so. And then once this is all blended real nice, I'm gonna skewer it up, and then we're gonna put it on the grill. You know, and I'm gonna change up the grill too. I'm not gonna do the gas grill. I'm gonna use a wood charcoal grill today to make this sweet and spicy chicken skewer. So let me go ahead and get this ready. Now that's mixed really well, right? I can see that. I might even you know what? I think I'm gonna let this rest in here for only about 10 minutes. There's apple cider vinegar in there, so I don't really want it to cook. I just want it to rest just a little bit to get some of that enhanced flavor in there, and then I'm gonna skewer it up and then get it out on the grill. All right, I'm out at the grill. I've lit the wood charcoal in here, right? This has really good flavor, and I really like using the wood charcoal better than just plain old charcoal. So I'm gonna let this heat up, get hot, and then we're gonna get the skewers out here. Okay, I have my skewered chicken here, and the grill is stinking hot right now. It's like 90 degrees outside, plus I got this grill going. I'm just gonna place these right up here on the top grate for right now because the grill's so hot. Just place them up there and let them cook. I'm gonna rotate them a couple times as these cook, and then get ready to eat them. I can't wait to eat this. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, it's been a good 5-6 minutes. I'm gonna check on this chicken. You know, it's a little tricky because I'm on this charcoal in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate these around a little bit. That sauce looks really good. They definitely need more time. I can change these around if some are a bit hotter than others, but they all look pretty consistent, honestly. I might move that one over, so I know the middle's hot, right? So I'm gonna bring that over here and drop this one on here. See if I can grab this other guy. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Bring that over, just flop that around, just like that. Oh, that looks good. Actually, I think I'm gonna move these over. Push them over this way a little bit. It seems to be a little bit warmer this way, so just do it like that in another 5-6 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes. I'm gonna check this out and look at this chicken. You know, I think it's gonna cook a little bit longer. You know, with charcoal, that wood charcoal, you know, the temperature can decrease the longer it takes compared to the gas grill. I'm trying to get a little bit of char on there, just like that one is. That's nice. I'm gonna bring this one over. I'm just gonna shuffle them around a little bit, rotate them, you know, and I can even bring them down here on the lower burners too. If I hear that sizzle, I know, wow, it's hot down there. I'm gonna watch them too to make sure, you know, I don't burn them all up. And probably once this is done here, I might give it 3-4 more minutes. Move these guys around over here. These look really good. And I can tell by the firmness, you know, you can check them. They're feeling pretty good, right? So I know they're almost done. I'm gonna give them just maybe 3 or 4 more minutes and bring them in. Okay, it's been another 4.5 to 5 minutes almost. So, you know, you have to judge this the best way you can. This looks beautiful, right? So there's a little bit of that scorchiness. That's exactly what I'm looking for the brown sugar and the honey that's in there. I'm gonna take this inside. We'll give it a quick taste test with some of the dipping sauce that I already left aside for it, and give it a try. So let's get inside. All right, I brought the chicken inside. The skewers here look beautiful. I've got a couple pieces of meat right here. I'm just gonna use some of that extra dipping sauce right there. Give it a try. Wow, excellent. Get the recipe at citygrill.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're gonna love this sweet and spicy chicken recipe.